Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2016 Kia Sorento LX. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV in an amazing platinum graphite. Under the hood, you'll find your 2.4-liter i4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. You also have your front fog lights, as well as a brand new windshield that was just installed, as well as your low profile roof racks that bring that style all together. Here we have your handy fob into your vehicle, as well as your remote vehicle start, perfect for those cold winter months. To unlock your vehicle, simply press once for the driver's side and twice for all 4 doors. As you can see, your turn signal on your side mirror does light up as well. Hopping in now. You've got great height to your SUV, as well as this great dark wood trim all throughout. You have your power windows, power locks, as well as your power adjustable mirrors. Down here, your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. You've got these great soft seats, really good condition. Nice and clean inside, but why don't we hop on in and take a look? Bear with me here. Starting up your Kia now, simply press the key out of your fob and put it into the ignition. Taking a look at your kilometers now, we have 67,941. And of course that fuel light is on, but we'll make sure that there's enough gas in it when you are taking it out for a test drive. On your steering wheel, we have all your steering wheel mounted controls like your hands-free calling, your volume changers, your mode changers, as well as your cruise control, which is easily accessible on the side. Here you have your illuminated clock, you have your AM/FM radio, your Sirius XM radio, as well as your Bluetooth audio and hands-free calling.
Turn Bluetooth on when you're ready.
We'll turn that lady down as we kind of play around with your menu buttons. All of your climate control is down here, as well as your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Perfect for keeping you warm, especially on your commute during the winter time. Down here we have 2 12-volt DC chargers, as well as your auxiliary and your USB import. Some extra storage space, your cup holders, this great chrome detailing, which really gives it that extra touch, and that leather wrapped steering knob. Down here you have your parking assist, as well as your different drive modes. Looking at your center console now, you have your convertible storage, as well as plenty of space inside. It is a little bit dark. Great leather detailing, and your locked glove box to ensure that you can keep everything that you want in your vehicle safe, as well as the manual, so that you know what your Kia can do for you. Plenty of cool stuff going on inside your Kia, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Kia. To unlock the back tailgate, simply press the tailgate button on your fob. You should hold it for probably 2 seconds. Then we're going to open the latch up at the bottom here. It's going to slide open. Plenty of space to store all your groceries, as well as down here you have all the jacks and your spare tire in case anything happens. Now these seats do fold down, so here's how it looks with the one side down. Now with all the rear seats folded down, you have plenty of room in the back of your vehicle to store things. And to close it up, simply grab the handle as it rolls down, and we'll take one more look at the back of your vehicle. Taking one final look at your 2016 Kia Sorento LX. Some other great features I didn't get to mention were the rear parking assist with the sensors on the back bumper, as well as the heated outside mirrors, just to make your life a little bit easier. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this video, and drive safe.